So what comes with the Vivax-Metrotech vLoc3 DM receiver? Hi, my name is Royce Kemp with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and in this video we're going to go over what comes with the vLoc3 DM receiver. Here we have a vLoc3 DM receiver. Now when you purchase a vLoc3 DM receiver, you're going to receive this nice padded kit bag with the shoulder strap. And you can use this to also store a Lock3 transmitter, an induction clamp, or any other accessories you've decided to buy with it. You have the vLoc3 DM receiver. You get an internal GNSS GPS antenna. You get a Bluetooth module so you can pair the receiver to a GNSS GPS antenna. You get the DM boot, a receiver blanketing plate so that you can use the receiver without the DM boot, a lithium-ion battery pack with AC wall charger, an alkaline battery pack with batteries, a USB cable to manage your receiver, and a user handbook. This is what you receive when you purchase a vLoc3 DM receiver.